I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so lazy. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I know, I know, we gotta talk alright. I know we gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk.
Speed without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break is.
Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like you, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. From me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the phone, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on him, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. I shit off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slow.
I can break you off, lay your bitch, do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your bitch, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your bitch, do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your bitch, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. I did observation before me. You had all them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy M226, the one and only undiscovered star, soon to be discovered though. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, there's certain things that I want to address, that I want to talk about. In most of my videos I talk like 7 minutes, 6 minutes, 3 minutes. I don't want that. So on this particular video, I'm gonna try and not for too long. I'm gonna try to talk for like 30, maybe 2 minutes. And first things first that I want to talk about is this mics. I don't know. I don't think these mics work. Cause it's the same thing when I record without them and I record using them. But hey, Timu, I think I spoke to Eddie about you. I think I spoke to him, and there's another thing that I want to address. I said, okay, I'll put a picture out there by the side to show you what's going on. So where I wrote vlogtober, where I was supposed to write vlogtober 3, I wrote vlogtober 2. I repeated the same thing. Yeah, please don't be misunderstood. Please don't be like surprised when you see that.